Hi Stackers, Regal Stacker here. Well, I've just had another delivery, a mega unboxing, and you won't believe how they delivered it. And well, you know, I signed for it with a thing saying coins were missing. I showed the guy the receipt and everything, and I'll get back onto the Royal Mint and I'll get the coins because they've not been delivered. But I'll show you my mega unboxing delivered by DHL. So this is how I got the parcel. You can see that. Open. Okay, open, and inside the parcel open, see that, it's been opened. Inside the parcel, two Queen's Beast, one Queen's Beast Griffin. So they delivered an open package, yeah, with one coin in when there should have been four, and everything was open. That's DHL for you. You know, they're, how would you put it? They're transparent, which means they've opened the package, looked in, three of the coins are missing, and what can you do? You know, it's just amazing. But well, at least I got the mega unboxing of one Griffin. What can you say? A 2-ounce Griffin minus 3 Griffins, of course. I think the Griffin probably took a holiday somewhere or went somewhere. Have you ever had that where DHL have delivered an open package, and you know, it was the way the guy delivered it to me. I was like, it's open and its coins missing, and he wouldn't take it back, so I signed and put minus 3 coins on the signature. They've got a receipt of that now, so I'm onto the Royal Mint and saying, what you playing at? Why are they opening this package? It's a bloody joke. You know, these courier companies are getting worse, I think. So, any of you had any experience like this? Let's talk about it. Let's find out who's had a worse experience. I've had worse experience because, you know that story of mine where I sent a coin to Numismatic Worldwide, Crook, in with the London Coin Company, and he said he never got it delivered, but I got proof of the Royal Mail. So this is Regal Stacker. See you again.